Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Need for Speed Hot Pursuit 2 multiplayer on a local area network. First, ensure every computer is physically connected to the same network, whether wired or wireless. Next, install the game on each machine, making certain all installations are the exact same version for seamless compatibility. Finally, temporarily disable any firewalls on all computers to avoid blocking the game's network communication. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth gaming experience. To host a game, launch Need for Speed Hot Pursuit 2 and proceed to the main multiplayer menu. From there, select the Local Area Network option to initiate a LAN session. Choose Host Game and then customize your preferred race type, track, and vehicle options. Once your game is configured, simply wait for your friends to join your session. The game will display connected players, ready for an exciting race. Joining an existing game is straightforward. Start Need for Speed Hot Pursuit 2 and navigate to the multiplayer section, just as the host did. Select Local Area Network as your connection type. Then, choose Join Game. A list of available hosted games should appear. Select the game you wish to join and wait for the host to begin the race. Get ready for some high-speed action. If you encounter issues, start by checking all physical network connections. Ensure cables are firmly seated. A simple restart of your network router or switch can often resolve many connectivity problems. Verify that all computers have IP addresses within the same subnet range, like 192.168.1.x. If problems persist, consider reinstalling the game to ensure file integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.